up, y'all. So, Rap Snacks Symphony was utterly amazing. So let me run it back real quick. So it's a digital content series, and they highlighted Clark Atlanta University as the historically black college and university. Not just the marching band, but the dancers and students. You don't want to miss it. But y'all, I tripped out when I saw Mykko flash on the screen doing his thing. Like, the history here is utterly amazing. What's going on?
It's a blessing. It's a blessing.
It's amazing. You text and talk to people and you don't even realize you're going to see them. But guys, Mykko did his thing. So tell them what it felt like to work on this project, because you are big with purpose. Absolutely.
I mean, to work with them was being like, it's excellent. You get what I'm saying? Like, I was nervous at first, because then it's like, being on this, I was on the tripod and it was moving, but I'm thinking of what I'm going through right now. Like, man, this is a symphony, man. This is Clark, man. This is Rap Snack. Like, I'm stuck into what I'm going through, but then it just hit me when I just see myself on the screen. Like, that's when it hit me. Like, okay, God, I see what you're doing.
Listen, and you see who he acknowledged. Big G. Not little G, but Big G.
Big G.
So, guys, stay tuned, because we're about to push him into St. Louis. St. Louis, we on the way.
On my mama, Mykko Montana, let's